Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate a map view or Appkit inside a native macOS application using Appkit or Coco. I'm not using Swift UI. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So basically what I'm doing is I'm displaying a map view, and in that I'm displaying a marker. So as you can see over here, I'll just zoom make it bigger. So here is our map view. Here I have displayed our marker as well, and as you can see I can easily drag and scroll through this or do any kind of gesture recognition. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So for it is very simple. All you have to do, just create a project, Appkit project, macOS project using storyboard. We are not really using storyboard. Then import Appkit, and here I have made a MK map view which will help us to display our map. Here I have set the map type as standard, show scale true, show compass true, show traffic true, show buildings true. Then we are doing translate auto resizing mask equal to false, so that we can add NS layout constraints to it. Then I'm adding our map view to our view. Then we are doing NS layout constraints dot activate, so that our map view can occupy the entire width and height of our view. Then I have just hard coded the latitude and longitude for now, created a location out of it using CL location coordinate 2D. Then I am creating an MK point annotation. I am passing our coordinate location as a coordinate to it, and as for title I have just hard coded the title, and for map view I have added this annotation. Then for zooming in, I have created a region radius, and here I have just done a MK coordinate region, passing our location region radius for latitude and longitude meters. Then we are just doing map view dot set region, passing our coordinate region, and animated I have kept it as true. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.